Hi there, this is Thomas Grant with another video tutorial on Roulette Player. In this video tutorial, I want to go through and create your very first script that will interact with your casino. Okay, so here's the Roulette Player, okay, and here's the casino, right? So let me just go into and log in, and I'll show you what we're going to do with Roulette Scripter, okay? With the Roulette Player. Right, so go to Table and Games, click on European Roulette, open up the window. Right, so here's the roulette table here. Okay, you can see pretty standard table, and we can spin the wheel. All right, now what we're going to go do is we're going to write a script with Roulette Player to actually get it to spin the wheel. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to do. The second thing I want to do is to select these three chips, then place a bet on black, and then spin the wheel. All right, so click this chip, then this chip, then this chip. Place a bet on black, and then it's going to spin the wheel. All right, so that's the script we're going to write using Roulette Player, and I'm going to show you how easy that is to do. All right, okay. So go to Set Roulette, make sure I click on Active Casino Roulette Table. Click on the table we're going to use, which is this one here. You can see in the window. If I select that, you can see the other window. We don't want that, we want the actual window there, the actual roulette table itself. Click on OK. Now we go to My Projects. Go to My Projects Explorer. All right, here's the My Projects. I'm going to click on New to create a new project. Now I'll move this over here. So New. Enter in a new project. I'm going to call it My First Bot. Click on OK. And here's the Roulette Player IDE, Unit 1 and Unit 2. So we're going to put a simple button on the form, just like that. Okay. And on the right hand side are all the objects, and on the left hand side are all the properties and the events for that particular object. Okay. Right, so we click on the button, go to events, and you can see all these events that you can use for this particular object. Right? The main one I use for buttons is the on click event. Okay, so just double click on it. Right? You can see it produced this procedure. Right? So now I press the control and space button, let me just do it again. The control plus the space button, control and space, and brings up the whole list of commands that are in this IDE. So the first one I want to do is make sure I can find click spin. I type in CLI, and we're looking for click spin. There it is there, click spin. See it? And you can see the name here. Put some brackets at the end of it, and a comma, or a quotation, whatever that is. And then I go to here and click on Run to run it. You can see the button here, right? And just press press it, and you can see it's spinning the wheel. Now, if you're not sure about that, let me go to options and turn off fast play. Now you can see the actual spin, right? Now when I click the button, it does it again. There you go. So it's actually spinning the wheel. All right. Okay, next. That was easy. Next thing I want to do is actually select a chip. The chips on this table here, and then select the black here, area here. So I've got to write that in. So Control and then the space key, right? And then we click on, type in the word CLI, click chip, right? Click chip 3. Okay, right there. Let's do it again. CLI, click chip 3. Right, I copy it, go to edit and copy. Hit the enter key, paste it in. I want to change the chip unit to 2. Then paste it in again and change it to 1. All right. Then we want it to select black. So go here, Control space again, and I want to find CLI, oops, CLI, click black. So B. Click even, click black. There it is. All right, so there's the script. Click chip 3, click chip 2, 1, clicks black, and then click spin. So let's go and run that. Here it is, the interface. Click on the button. Now I did that rather fast. Right. You didn't see it click on those 3, but that's fine. And there's your first script, okay, using the IDE. Go to File, Save All, Unit 2, click on OK, Unit 1, click on OK, My First Spot, click on OK. Okay, that's done. You can now click on Refresh to refresh it. That is My First Spot. Type in display name, type in My Spot like so. It's free, it's public for Playtech. Okay, going to update project details. Now you can run it from here. Comes up like so. Click the button, and it spins the wheel. Like so. Then you can close it. Click the refresh on the main screen, and you see My First Spot here. Click on Run to run it from the main screen. Might take a little while. There it is. And then click the button, and you can see it spin the wheel, place the chip on black, and there you go. So there's your very first bot or script with this particular software. Thank you for watching.